Welcome back to Cash Money Tutorial, the ultimate destination for money-making strategies and online success. Today, we have an electrifying topic that will unleash your creative potential and help you earn big money. Get ready to dive into the thrilling world of making money with AI covers. Are you excited? I know I am. But before we unveil the secrets, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing videos. Now, let's get started and embark on this incredible journey together. Imagine a world where your passion for music and the power of AI technology combine to create a revolution in the music industry. That's exactly what making money with AI covers is all about. We're about to unveil the secrets that will empower you to turn your creativity into a thriving business. Get ready to unlock unlimited possibilities and embark on a remarkable income-generating adventure. Before we delve deeper into the strategies, let's explore a few amazing websites that allow you to create AI covers. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and powerful AI algorithms to bring your musical visions to life. Best of all, some of them are even free to use. So, whether you're a seasoned musician or an aspiring artist, these websites offer the perfect starting point for your AI cover journey. Let's start with AI Melody, a fantastic website that lets you create AI-generated covers and original compositions. With its intuitive interface, you can experiment with different genres, moods, and instruments, and let the AI algorithms generate breathtaking melodies. The best part? AI Melody offers a free version that allows you to explore and create stunning music. Upgrade to their premium plans for access to advanced features and unlimited possibilities. Another remarkable platform is BeatSense, a community-driven website where you can collaborate with AI to create sensational covers. You can upload your own vocals or select from a vast library of instrumental tracks, and let the AI algorithms generate mesmerizing arrangements. With BeatSense, you can connect with fellow musicians, share your creations, and even monetize your music through their partner program. Start your musical journey with BeatSense and watch your income soar. Now that we've introduced you to these amazing websites, let's dive into the strategies that will help you make money with AI covers. Are you ready to unlock your creative potential and turn it into a profitable venture? Let's get started. Opportunity number 1, AI-generated covers. Brace yourself for the incredible world of AI-generated covers. Imagine having an AI system that can recreate popular songs with astounding accuracy and captivating arrangements. AI-generated covers are gaining massive popularity as they offer a fresh and unique take on well-known tracks. These covers captivate listeners, attract a massive audience, and generate revenue through streams, downloads, and ad placements. To kickstart your journey, leverage the power of platforms like YouTube, Spotify, or SoundCloud to release your AI-generated covers. Optimize your content with captivating visuals, engaging thumbnails, and catchy titles to grab attention. With each stream, download, or ad impression, your revenue potential grows. Remember, consistency is key, so regularly release new AI covers to keep your audience engaged and eagerly waiting for your next masterpiece. Opportunity number 2, custom AI covers. Get ready to tap into the personalized music market with custom AI covers. Individuals and businesses alike crave unique and personalized music experiences. With AI technology at your fingertips, you can create tailor-made covers for special occasions, events, or promotional campaigns. Imagine offering personalized wedding song covers, birthday dedications, or branded covers that elevate business marketing efforts. To succeed in this space, offer different packages and pricing options based on the complexity of the requests and the level of customization. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your portfolio, engage with potential clients, and build a loyal customer base. Utilize your creativity and AI tools to deliver high-quality, emotionally engaging music that leaves a lasting impact on your clients. With each custom AI cover, you'll not only earn money, but also create unforgettable memories for your clients. Opportunity number 3, licensing and royalties. Unlock the world of licensing and royalties with your AI covers. As the demand for captivating covers continues to rise, opportunities for licensing your AI covers expand exponentially. Content creators, media producers, and advertisers are constantly seeking unique music that grabs attention and sets their projects apart. This is where your AI covers come in. Explore licensing platforms like Cover Song Licensing or AI Cover Hub to connect with potential clients and licensing opportunities. These platforms streamline the licensing process and ensure that you receive fair compensation for the use of your AI covers. By licensing your covers for use in commercials, films, videos, or podcasts, you open doors to a passive income stream that keeps flowing long after the initial creation. With these strategies and the power of AI covers, you're on the verge of an exciting journey that combines creativity, technology, and financial success. So, are you ready to embark on this extraordinary adventure? Start creating AI covers today and watch as your passion transforms into a thriving business that generates big money. That wraps up today's video on making money with AI covers. We hope you found these strategies and insights valuable. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Tutorial for more incredible ways to make money online. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep chasing your dreams of financial success. See you soon.